Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on banking icon in the bottom left corner. Here, scroll down and then tap on the Bitcoin tab from the available options. Next, tap Buy Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the details and confirm the purchase. Depending on your account, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity or enter your cash PIN before completing the transaction. Once you've successfully purchased the Bitcoin, stay on the Bitcoin page and tap on this paper icon, or sometimes it appears as double arrow. Then select Send Bitcoin. After that, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can send any amount as long as it does not exceed your available Bitcoin balance. Now, tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the wallet you want to send the Bitcoin to. You can also scan the recipient's QR code if you have it. Carefully review the wallet address before continuing, as cryptocurrency transactions generally cannot be reversed once they are sent. Next, choose the network or withdrawal speed if Cash App gives you multiple options. Review all the transaction details and then tap Next. Finally, confirm the transaction using your cash PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID, depending on your device. Cash App will process the withdrawal, and once the transaction is confirmed on the Bitcoin network, the Bitcoin will be sent to the destination wallet. And that's it! So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.